Now that we have successfully set up the services, let's look at adding an appointment for that service. But before we can go and add an appointment, we need clients in the system. I'm just going to add a new client for the demo purpose. I'm going to call this as demo user, and we can review these fields and add them if you have those details. But for this demo, I'm just going to give in the phone number, as that is the only mandatory field. And I'm going to click on save. Okay, we have the client record created. Now I'm going to go into the appointments and click on add appointment. You can select the client that you just created, and then you can select the staff. I want to select the demo user because I've set up the services for that demo user staff as such. I have two services available. We set up the demo service. I'm just going to select that. And by default, it automatically selects the appointment type. We gave it as location visit for the service. That's what is coming up here. And here I can add a date. Let me just look at if there are any slots available for today. There are no slots available. Let me look at other date. Yeah, there are slots available for tomorrow. I can select that, and I can also select another appointment if you'd like to schedule a follow-up appointment, or if you want to schedule recurring appointments. You could use this option to add multiple appointments in one single appointment form. I'm just going to delete this because I just want to create one single appointment. I'm going to click on save. Okay, we have successfully added our first appointment onto the system. Follow our tutorial series to understand other parts of Whautomate platform. In the next video, we will look at how to integrate payment gateway and add an invoice for the appointment we just created. Thank you.